Since the circular from ourselves, from our ministry and the Ministry of Interior, which was done 3-4 months ago, so far we have registered around 8,000 of them. I've engaged around 4 or 5 associations that actually involve the members of doing this business as Airbnbs, and they are all very ready. They are part and parcel of the stakeholder engagement that we are taking them through our regulations. The previous complaint from most of the investors in that space was that our fees were punitive. We used to charge 26,000 per unit, irrespective of the number of rooms that you are holding. We have in the current regulations that we are passing through the public participation, we have staggered that so that they are in line with the hotels, that it aligns with how we license the hotel. For example, if you are operating a studio, it will be 9,000, and most of them are very excited. And then from 9,000 as a studio, 1 to 2 bedroom, we are talking about around 16,000, and then it moves all.
You must have heard from our CS who was raising issues in terms of classification of our facilities, and we want to take this opportunity to say that we agree with him that indeed the classification, which was last done 6 years ago, today is wanting. And I will tell you, since we were affected by COVID in 2019, so many facilities, and especially in the tourism sector, were affected, because this is one sector that if a facility is not in use, it quickly deteriorates. As an authority, we are in agreement with the government through our boss CS, Cabinet Secretary, that there is need for a national classification exercise to give the current status of our facility.
That's why we are trying to say, can you organize?
Na makiria